Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn the kanji of fatigue, worn out. This kanji is taken from N4 and this is our today's kanji. So let's start guys. Hajime Masu. Guys, we can see here this kanji have 10 strokes. So let's start with the strokes of this kanji. These are the strokes which we would have to follow to make this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final kanji which is having 10 strokes. So now let's start the practice of the strokes of this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it for the one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it separately. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the final one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, this is the final kanji which is having 10 strokes. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is Tsuka, written in Romaji and Hiragana, and onyomi of this kanji is Hi, written in Katakana and Romaji. Reru, if you will add Reru with this, then it will have a different meaning, about which we will study now. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji here. Here we will learn two meanings for this kanji. First is if you are writing this kanji as a prefix with Reru, which was in our kunyomi as well, then these would be pronounced as Tsukareru. Tsukareru written in Romaji as well, and Tsukareru means to be tired. And guys, Tsukareru is the dictionary form of tsukaremas. We have already learned that how to make dictionary form. I will drop the link in description for that video. So this is the dictionary form of tsukaremas. And our second meaning is if we are writing this kanji again as a prefix with re, then this would become a noun and it will be pronounced as tsukare, written in Romaji as well, and tsukare means tiredness. So guys, this was the kanji of fatigue, worn out. I hope you guys have understood. Then please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.